Okay, today, instead of having the walls come tumbling down, hopefully the walls are going up on the first floor. So let's take a walk down and see what's going on. Looks like they're playing with the Lego blocks. Some corners and some straight pieces. Laying them out. Some corners are in place. Looks like fun.
Thanks for the love, Forbidden Pleasures. Find them in Peterborough, Oshawa,
So you just lay them right on top of the slabs. We've got a line, chalk line down. Put the corners in place first, and then I guess they match the sections up to the corners. Cut as needed. Here's the cutting tools. I guess the first row. These little pieces. They're all the same height. Can't tell. I guess they're all the same height.
Yeah. They fit in the corners and then they fit in between. Cool.
So there's a number of segments here. They just fit into each other. Ah, okay. I get it.
Yeah, that's how you do
Should go pretty quickly.
So where do you want to put the docks right here? Which window? That one just stack in the middle.
Yeah, there's no window on that edge. It's just in the back.
Yeah.
And I'd assume with the corners, so that one's going this way, then maybe the next level this way.
Yeah, I
So
think
that
so.
they're not
Yeah,
stacked up.
they're staggered. Yep. We will be back.
Last night when I went to
Hey, how about you?
oh good. They only got one rain now here.
Oh, got the
Towards
first,
like Lifetime. Remember how you
first layer done.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's shut down.
Probably.
So I assume they have to put rebar in every layer then. I'll see they're tying it to each other as well.
Yeah.
A bit of detail here.
Oh,
So
then
they're
you-
strapping
you
it together.
strapping these when there's
When there's a
a break.
yeah.
That's exactly where they are.
Cut. Like a fit.
We're already on that line, Ty, sorry. On your line there.
Single course of rebar every time?
Yeah. Every single course.
That's to tie it together side to side, right?
Yeah, like basically them to go vertical too before it's work. So they go every 16.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Every 16, they, I don't like to call it, I think it calls for 24 or something like that, but we just do every 16. Makes it a little easier, all the blocks are 16 too, right? So
Yeah.
makes it a little better. The verticals vary, sometimes they go 16, sometimes they go 24 above grade, so. We don't necessarily. Just move it over to make it work.
Stuff fits together like Lego blocks.
Yeah, pretty good. Nice.
Okay, after the first half day of putting up the walls, here's what the floor space feels like when we walk in through the front door. Yeah. So again, there's going to be a window here. Oh, look, it's already marked. See the marks on the styrofoam. And so wall will be here somewhere. Stairs will go up this way. Storage area over there. Hallway moving in that direction. Into the studio. Trisha's window. And another large window here.
Well, that's interesting.
Is there a window in the...
No, there's no window in the mechanical.
so maybe those aren't windows. Have to be glued? Because it seems to be also
Unless
where the... Anyways, my office, and there's definitely no window there. And maybe this is the window here, but this doesn't look correct either. This is where the bathroom is. I don't know what those marks mean.
It's a similar width, but it wasn't going to make it so many
6 inches
6 inches
bigger.
bigger.
Yep.
So maybe that's why
It's so far over.
so far over, because it probably is. It was close to the corner, and that one would be too then.
Okay. But I don't think there's any window in the utility room. So that must mean something else.
Well, this means like I think these.
Those need to be
crack
filled
has to
in.
be filled in.
Yeah.
Then if the walls here. Oh yeah, there's no, there's no bathroom here yet too.
No, there's the bathroom there.
Look at our plans.
Bathroom's there.
Yeah, no. I'll say that's a big mechanical room. Yet. And everything's squished over there. And this is doing what it should do.
Yep.
For the drain.
Oh, the drain's there though.
What's that?
That's the main. Yeah, that's the main stack, isn't it? And the clean outs.
So what?
Bathroom upstairs? I don't know. That's the wrong
'Cause
spot.
The bathroom's up above
Yeah.
the other bathroom.
Don't know. I have to take a look at that one on the plans. Oh, see how they're tied together as well? There's metal rods that are hooked.
This is the window too, and that's above the sink. I think. And washer and dryer.
So this is a window though, isn't it? Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There should be one in the bathroom too, but maybe higher.
And the door. See, Trish, I don't know if you saw this, but not only are they tied together this way, but they're also tied together this way
okay, yeah,
between the courses.
right.
And then the rebar's in there as well.
Mm-hmm.
No rebar there yet, so maybe they ran out. Because it's here.
Not along here.
And then they have yet to tie in. So I don't know how they'll do this with the step down. We shall see. Interesting stuff. And we still have a big pond over there.
So
Where a
what?
septic, we still have a big pond over there where a septic system will be eventually. Finally, movement. So I'll keep documenting as they won't be back tomorrow, but they will be on Friday. So we'll take a look at what they come up with on Friday, and we'll go from there. According to plans, we'll be pouring the walls sometime next week. And then the second story goes on after the rafters are in. Anyways, we'll keep you updated.